What's up, YouTube? It's your boy Papa Clash. We back with another video. I did say I was gonna upload a video for 4th of July, which was yesterday, but it got too wild here in Atlanta. It was very dangerous. There was some violent stuff going on, and I don't want to post. I don't want you guys to see it. I'll put a small clip of what was going on. Tonight we will be attending a truck meet from 7 to 10 p.m. in Lilburn, Georgia, and that's what you guys like anyway. So we're gonna go ahead and get that footage for y'all. It's gonna be some nice trucks out there. I've seen some pictures of a lot of people that's gonna be there, and a lot of different trucks. Some people come from out of state to get there. In the meantime, happy 4th of July. If I was late, I was supposed to upload a vlog. I didn't. I did film it, but I didn't want to upload it because of the violent crimes that was going on. But in the clip, y'all did see what was going on, and I don't wanna be any type associated with that. I did get a little hurt from that event. It's okay, it is what it is, but you know, we dropping them bangers. A lot of y'all been asking for an update of my truck and what's going on with it. Tomorrow is Monday. Monday I'm supposed to be going to get my rough country lift kit for the truck, extended brake system, brake line system, and everything done with it. So that will be a video of me buying it and getting it put on. Like I said, I might be dropping it 2 inches in the back. I did buy the coils for me to do that, and I'll be having a video for everything going up on it. I get asked every day what motivated me to do YouTube. All I can say is, y'all, just find something that you're interested in. Once you find something you're interested in, there's other people that's interested in it also, and you just keep dropping videos on the bangers. You're not going to get a million views on it overnight, but you will eventually get them views up there. You know, just stay motivated, continue doing it, try to drop a video every day like I'm trying to do. I was inspired by That Wild Bow Tie and a couple of my other homies, but with these trucks, it's definitely That Wild Bow Tie. You know, just see something that you enjoy doing, do it, and you know, keep your mind to it and stay focused. I actually had a guy walk up to me yesterday and he asked me what motivated me to do YouTube, and I told him, you know, you just got to find something that you enjoy doing. He does HVAC. I said, you know, you can do HVAC videos and how-to videos and DIY videos, and it'll get out there. You know, you just got to put your mind to it and stay focused and keep doing it. You're gonna grow. Like Bowtie kept telling me, man, just do it, just do it. Upload. Let's go get this bread. That's his phrase. Let's go get this bread. Bowtie inspired me so much to put out videos like for you guys, and that's what I did. You know, you got to just stay focused. And for upcoming YouTubers and Instagram people that want to go up and stuff, you know, just shoot me a DM or comment on this video if you want me to give you a shout at the beginning of this video, because I'll do it, because I'm that type of person. Y'all showed a lot of love for me, and I'm willing to give it back, you know. So I appreciate all the love that y'all been giving me, the support. Keep growing. It's going to keep growing. It's going to keep going up. It's been going up by the day and by the minute. So, you know, we're going to keep doing this. All right, YouTube.
Hey, y'all.
We just got to the the truck meet. But it is some cars out here. I can tell you some lifted trucks, lower trucks, old school trucks, all types of cars. It's nice out here. But I'm about to walk over here and say, all right, see what's going on. Once I get over here, I'm going to flip the camera and say, I see the trucks and explain what's going on. All right, y'all remember this truck from me doing that video. I'm gonna explain what happened right here. Y'all remember this truck right here. See this? I'm gonna explain what happened. All right, so let me explain what happened to OC truck. As I showed y'all the clip earlier, we was down Edgewood yesterday, and they got the shooting down there, and his truck got caught in some crossfire, and they put 2 bullet holes in his windshield, 2 in his hood, and yeah, put some bullets out the roof. But we just put his truck together. The door also got damaged, so it is what it is. He gonna get it fixed. But you know, right here. More bullet holes. Yeah, nothing to do with the shooting, but they got caught in some crossfire. You look up at his roof, and some more bullet holes up there. This morning he was pulling bullet holes out the truck. That's crazy. He on 30s. I think it's an 05 Tahoe. He got 218s in the back, but he on 30s. I'll explain later what happened right here. I'll explain later. But he on 24x14s on the leveling kit. it low. Gotta be on bags. C10 Silverado. I like how they got all the wires hidden. There's music behind me. I'm trying to talk over it. This is why I put music on my videos, so I'm trying to talk over the music. This is the bed. It look good. Alright, let me start the music. Let me stop before I get copyrighted. This is about the tallest dually I've ever seen in my life. Damn, everything under here painted. This thing tall as hell. Tall ass dually. It's a Ram. Look like you're on 12s, I say. You're on like 22 by 12s. Look good. Got some power coating going on under there. It's a clean truck. Power coat under there too. Silverado lowered. Just drop. That front end clean. Cleanest Denali I've seen so far. This truck is clean as hell. If I get no choice, that's gonna be this Denali. It's clean as hell. I love this truck. You know, forces. Oh my God, this truck clean as hell. Got this 2500, 22 by 10. Another GMC, Rex. He on 14 watts. 24 by 14. Got Silverado. Got wood lights on there. Damn, that's a whole line of GMCs. Oh man, this truck nice as hell. This paint clean. Look up under here. All that power code. Got the speakers on there. That's clean. This is another tall Denali from American Forces. I love this bed. I like how I got 2 steps like right there. The 2020. Clean truck, brand new truck. 2020, lifted. Yeah, I like that. You go Ram right here. Cummins. Super clean. You know, 14 watts. It's clean. Another clean truck. Some long ass spike lug nuts. Alright, I gotta cut it for the music. This truck clean even though he ain't got no mirror. Another clean truck. You know, 16 watts. Another old school. Lower truck over there. This clean. I like this. Clean wrap truck. It's right. That's clean as hell. You got this 5.7. It's a long bed. That thing slammed. Look at that center car floating. This Charger look good. I think it's like an 09. That paint looks super smooth. BMW look good too. Damn, they got a roll cage in it. It's a clean leveled out Tahoe. 22 by 12s. No, he on 22 by 10s. That look good. This Camry look good. Look at the tips. That look nice. Got this cat over here. Single cab. That look good. I'm starting to see a lot of people with these wheels. Mazda right there. I think it's called an RSX. Something like that. Got that four lifted. Man, these trucks so clean. I love these no-body style trucks. Look like he on 24s. That's a big bumper. Got another single cab right here. I love this look right here. Cool lights. That's clean. Alright YouTube, I'm back at the house. I hope y'all enjoyed that truck meet / car meet. There was some nice whips there. A lot of lifted trucks, a lot of stench trucks, a lot of cars. It was real nice. I enjoyed it. I expected to be more lit than what it was, but it was something to post, you know. The backhand of the story with OC Truck is we went down to that truck meet that y'all saw a little clip of on the beginning of this video, and it just got wild with shooting going on, and his truck got involved in it, some crossfire. So, and it's sad to say he just brought that truck, still got paper tags on it. So we plan on getting it fixed, and you know, we're gonna start from there. I'm real tired. I'm about to go edit this video so y'all can go see it, and from there. Hope y'all enjoyed this video. Y'all make sure y'all like, comment, subscribe. Thank you so much. Y'all I'm at 1,500 now. I'm at 1,500 subscribers, so I really appreciate that. We're gonna keep going up. Thank y'all so much.